Hello to all my friends in Travelor. Today I'm going to show you the application called Ninja Blaster. It's for your computer and it will help you post automatically on your Facebook, and then you'll get your leads, and I mean by that people who are interested to be our partners automatically to your account. Okay, so let's begin. We'll type Ninja Blaster in the search of Google. Ninja Blaster. And then we'll go to the first result. We'll press on download. Then we'll get to the download page. Here we have 5 different downloaders. We'll press on the first one, the Ninja Blaster here. Okay, and then we'll get a RAR file downloaded to our computer. If you can't run it, so you'll need to download another program called WinRAR. And now go to the first result. And here choose the English language of the installer. Okay, so I'm pressing here and it's downloading. Okay, once it's finished downloading, you can press it and the installer of WinRAR will pop up. Then you can press install and it will install the WinRAR application on your computer, and then you will be able to open this file. Okay, now open the file. This is just an ad. Okay, so move some things. Okay, and then you'll have another WinRAR file, .rar file. In this RAR, press it, double click it, and then it will require a password. So the password is 1 to 9, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, and now it opened another RAR file. And in this RAR file I can see Ninja Blaster MSI. I already done that and brought this file to my desktop. Okay, so just bring it here. Just press on it and bring it here. Okay, I'll just show you. Delete that. Just bring it here. Okay, and then once you've done that, you can press on it twice and the installation of Ninja Blaster will start. Here the Ninja Blaster is already installed on my computer, so it doesn't allow me to install it twice, but you will have a window like this and you should do next and finish, and then the installation will be done. Okay, now after you have completed the installation, you will have this icon. You'll press on it twice and then the Ninja Blaster will pop up in just a few seconds. Okay, so this is the Ninja Blaster menu and you can see here I already have it open. Okay, so after we've opened this, we'll have 3 applications here. Fuja, Facebook Pages Manager, and Ninja Blaster. Ninja Blaster is the one that interests us, so I'll press the blue one. Okay, let's give it a moment. Okay, you can see it's still loading. Just a second. Okay, and now it's loaded. So here we have a couple of options. Not every option interests us. We have video poster to post video on groups. We have photo poster to post photos, and a link poster. Okay, I'll concentrate on video poster. Okay, now a window will pop up. You will need to fill your username and password to Facebook, your Facebook account, and then press save. Here I already saved my 2 accounts. Okay. After I've done that, here I can put my status. So I'll just put a status I already made up. Okay. This goes to the post. You can click on Control-Shift of the right of your keyboard to align it if you need to. And then to add a video file, you can browse and search for your video file. So I will put this video of my brother. Okay, now that I've done that, I can do load groups, and it will load me every group that I'm connected to with my account. Okay, so now he's asking me which browser I want to use in order to get the group. So I'll do browserless login. Okay, and it's performing login now. Okay, and now you can see that I logged in successfully. Okay, and now we will go and bring all my groups into this window. And there you can see some of my groups already loaded. We give it another couple of seconds. And here is loaded all my groups. I have 340 groups. You can enable and disable the groups by clicking here. Okay. And once you've selected the groups that you want to post to, you can adjust the delay seconds. So if I'll do 3600 seconds, that means that every hour another post will be posted on Facebook on my behalf. Okay, everything that is enabled. Another option to look into is the save to file. Okay, once I've selected the groups that I want to post to, I can save that selection by pressing save to file, and I'll call that file groups I selected. Okay, and now no matter what I do, how I play with it, and if I want to restore the previous settings, I can do load file, and it will ask me to delete my groups. I will say yes, and then it deleted the groups from this table, and I will press on the file I've just created, and it will load up all the groups and all the configuration I've done previously. Okay, so now that I've done that I said I want 1 hour of delay between my posts, I can also configure it to sleep for up to 6 hours between every 25 posts to whatever I want. So I don't want it to sleep, so I'll just do 400, and we can loop it to go over the groups a second time and a third time and 100 times. So I'll do just one loop of all the groups I've selected. Once I've done that, I can start posting by pressing this start button. Okay, now it says that he is going to post to 336 groups. I'll press OK, and now I can see the status. The status is performing login. Now he's performing login on my behalf on Facebook. and in a couple of seconds, okay, it succeeded, and now it's uploading the video to the group, and this is the first group, okay, that I've selected. Another thing to note is that this application is free for 2 or 3 days, and afterwards it's going to expire, and it's going to ask you for $10 a month, which is a very low price for this capability to get leads from all around the world from your Facebook, completely automated. You don't need to do anything, just join groups. So everyone that needs to what it said, it failed, the underlying connection was close, and okay, it failed to upload. This should not happen. Okay, I'm currently have another window that does the same, and I guess that they are blocking each other. So I think this is why that happened. Okay, so if anyone needs some help to get his key, so you can contact me. My name is Naveini. Do your best, use this application wisely, and good luck.